We start where we began, nutrition and well-being. And there is one brand synonymous with nutrition and well-being, so who better to call up on stage other than Mr. Ajay Khanna, Senior Vice President and Managing Director, Herbalife.
Good evening, everyone. It's with immense gratitude that I stand before you tonight at the NDTV Food Awards. I know we are all here celebrating the very best in food tonight, but we mustn't forget that not everyone has access to even the basic nutrition needed to live a healthy and productive life. Herbalife, for over 44 years, has been working consistently to tackle nutrition gaps globally. According to Global Nutrition Report 2022, India has made limited progress towards diet-related non-communicable diseases, which we call NCD targets, with 6.2% of women and 3.5% of men being obese. Now, multiple research studies have also identified India as the diabetics capital of the world. We have done a lot of collaboration. We are really excited to be collaborating with FSSAI, which is the Food Safety Authority of India, in their Eat Right campaign, which resonates with the National Health Policy 2017's vision. We are actively contributing to improving public health in India. And we strongly believe in encouraging knowledge and empowering communities and making healthy options accessible to all. The revival of millets will also provide, I would say, huge opportunities for our farmers, who are the backbone of our economy, and their communities. We envision a future where every child has a balanced meal on their plate, where communities celebrate healthy choices, and where good food reaches everyone, not just the privileged few. This dream can only come together, can only happen if we work together. Let's not just celebrate tonight, but make a promise for a healthier tomorrow. Let's make every meal count and make every choice to step towards a healthier future. Let's make this journey a celebration of good food and good health for all. And like our Honorable Prime Minister says, Swasth Bharat and an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let's all work towards making India Swasth and Atmanirbhar. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'd like to now call on stage Mr. Nakulanan to give an award to Mr. Khanna. So do come on stage. And I think the sentiment expressed there was wonderful. After COVID, I think health and good food is something that all of us think about. Right, so this award to Mr. Ajay Khanna, Senior VP and Managing Director, Herbalife, India, with the Best Nutrition and Wellness Award.
And now I'd like to invite up on stage someone whose name is synonymous with food in India. He eats it, he cooks it, he writes about it, and he has traveled across India for it. Kunal Vijaykar, can I please have you up on stage? A big round of applause, please.